legends. We are sure that you will all be charmed to death. Starting with the clowns that we put in charge of the cannons and the heavy guns. Don't worry, they're just